Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the Airpods and removing any silicone tips. This reduces risk and exposes surfaces. Once done, assemble a small kit. 70% isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloth, cotton swabs, a toothpick, and warm water. You don't need harsh chemicals because alcohol dissolves oils and kills microbes without harming plastics. Meanwhile, warm water loosens debris around seams. Make sure to work on a flat surface so parts don't roll away. And position a light to inspect yellow stains closely before you touch them. You now treat the yellowed areas methodically. Dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol, squeeze out excess so it's damp not wet, and work along the colored spots. Once you see residue lifting, switch to a microfiber cloth to wipe away dissolved oils. This prevents redepositing. If a patch resists, use a toothpick at a shallow angle to lift gunk. Apply gentle strokes only to avoid scuffs. Make sure to clean in small sections and inspect with light so you don't miss edges. You finish by letting components air dry fully for at least 10-15 minutes. Moisture can compromise speakers and charging. Once dry, reassemble and test sound and charging. If yellowing remains, repeat the cleaning cycle every 24 hours up to 3 times, because gradual treatments lift deep stains without damage. If plastic shows discoloration that won't budge or if seams crack, stop immediately. Make sure to contact support or a professional restorer, because aggressive methods can void warranties or cause permanent harm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.